Hello everyone, my name is Rehana. I come from Madagascar. I've been in China for 11 years now, and my husband and I are living in Chizhou City, Anhui Province. I am now a French teacher at Chizhou University. I enjoy my job here. Every time I get into a classroom, I feel the energy of the students, and I feel even more energetic when I see them. That even after they graduate, we still keep in touch and we are still friends, and they're always sharing what new experiences they have in their new lives. We lived in Nanchang for a few years and then we came to Chizhou. We instantly fell in love with the city, with the sceneries, the lakes and the mountains. And also, as my husband is a professional photographer, we decided to travel all around China. We didn't only stay here for the scenic spots in Chizhou. We've been into almost 20 cities all around China to visit. Benefiting from the Belt and Road Initiative and also the cooperation China has with a lot of African countries, a lot of people from my country are also coming to China to study, to work, or to live. Now my husband and I are planning on going to more cities. Also my other family members are coming to visit, and we are taking them on more places and visits, and I'm sure there are more places and more exciting experiences that are awaiting us in China.